In our quest for a tidy and well-organized life, it's often the smallest tools that make the biggest difference. These tiny tools, often overlooked, can be the unsung heroes of our daily routines, making tasks easier and more efficient. That's certainly true of Q-tips Cotton Swabs. These small yet mighty tools have been a household staple for decades, and for good reason. These humble helpers are indispensable for a multitude of tasks around the home. Whether it's cleaning, crafting, or even first aid, Q-tips have a place in nearly every room of the house. From beauty routines to detailed cleaning, Q-tips offer precision and gentleness in one simple package. They are perfect for applying makeup with accuracy, cleaning those hard-to-reach places, and even fixing small mistakes. They are a testament to the idea that something small can indeed spark joy. The satisfaction of a perfectly clean surface or a flawless makeup application can truly brighten your day. We all have our favorite cleaning supplies, those items we reach for again and again. Q-tips, with their versatility and reliability, often top that list. Q-tips deserve a place of honor in that collection. Their compact size and multifunctional use make them a must-have in any cleaning arsenal. Their versatility is unmatched, making them essential for everything from delicate touch-ups to heavy-duty cleaning projects. They can clean the smallest crevices of your electronics, ensuring they stay dust-free and functional. They are a true multitasker's dream. Whether you're an artist, a parent, or just someone who loves a clean space, Q-tips can be your go-to tool for a variety of tasks. But the beauty of Q-tips goes beyond their functionality. Their design is simple yet effective, and they are always ready to lend a helping hand. They also represent a mindful approach to consumption. In a world where sustainability is becoming increasingly important, Q-tips have adapted to meet these needs. Made with 100% cotton and sustainable paper sticks, these little swabs are gentle on the environment. They offer a simple way to reduce our ecological footprint without sacrificing quality or convenience. Choosing products that align with our values brings a sense of peace and harmony to our homes. It's a small step towards a more sustainable lifestyle, but one that can have a big impact. Let's delve deeper into the many ways Q-tips can enhance our daily routines and inspire a more organized and joyful life. From cleaning to crafting, their uses are limited only by your imagination. Their versatility may surprise you. Whether it's for a quick touch-up or a detailed project, Q-tips are the tiny tool that makes a big difference. Sustainability is no longer a trend, it's a necessity. In today's world, our choices have a profound impact on the environment, and it's crucial to make decisions that support the health of our planet. We strive to make conscious choices that minimize our environmental impact. From the bags we carry to the energy we consume, every small step counts towards a larger goal of sustainability. Q-tips Cotton Swabs, with their eco-friendly design, align perfectly with this ethos. They are a small yet significant part of our daily routines, and choosing eco-friendly options can make a big difference. Crafted from 100% pure cotton, they offer a biodegradable and compostable solution for various tasks. This means that after use, they can return to the earth without causing harm. The paper sticks are sourced from sustainably managed forests, further reducing their ecological footprint. This careful sourcing ensures that we are not depleting our natural resources. Unlike plastic-stemmed alternatives, Q-tips decompose naturally, leaving behind no harmful residues. This natural decomposition process is vital for maintaining a healthy ecosystem. This commitment to sustainability makes them an ideal choice for the environmentally conscious individual. By choosing Q-tips, you are supporting a product that values the planet as much as you do. But their eco-friendliness doesn't compromise their efficacy. They are designed to perform well in a variety of tasks, ensuring you don't have to sacrifice quality for sustainability. The soft, absorbent cotton tips are perfect for delicate tasks. Whether it's cleaning jewelry or applying makeup, they provide the precision and care needed. Whether you're cleaning intricate objects or tending to sensitive areas, Q-tips provide a gentle touch. Their design ensures that they are safe and effective for all your needs. Their sustainable design doesn't mean compromising on quality or performance. Each Q-tip is crafted to meet high standards, ensuring reliability in every use. They are durable, absorbent, and incredibly versatile. From DIY projects to everyday household tasks, Q-tips are a handy tool to have around. With Q-tips, you can maintain a clean and organized home while being mindful of the planet. They are a small but powerful way to contribute to a sustainable future. Every well-organized beauty routine needs reliable tools. These tools are the unsung heroes that help us look our best every day. Q-tips are those trusty sidekicks that always come in handy. They are small but mighty, and their uses are almost endless. Their fine tips and gentle touch make them perfect for a variety of beauty tasks, from perfecting makeup to nail care. Whether you need to apply, blend, or clean, Q-tips are there to assist. Need to clean up a smudged eyeliner wing? A Q-tip dipped in makeup remover will do the trick with precision. It's like having a magic wand for those little makeup mishaps. Want to create a soft, smoky eye effect? Q-tips are perfect for blending eyeshadows seamlessly. They allow you to achieve that professional look without the need for expensive tools. Beyond makeup, Q-tips are excellent for nail care. They can help you achieve salon-quality results right at home. They can clean up excess nail polish, creating a professional-looking manicure at home. No more worrying about messy edges or smudges. Their absorbent nature is also helpful in applying treatments to cuticles. This ensures that your nails and cuticles stay healthy and well-maintained. With Q-tips in your beauty arsenal, you can achieve a polished look and maintain tidiness. They are the ultimate multitaskers in your beauty routine. Their versatility and precision make them an essential part of any organized and efficient beauty routine. So, next time you reach for a Q-tip, remember, it's not just a tool, it's your beauty routine's best friend.